Welcome to Vudvi Food and Diets. Today our special recipe is simple and tasty chicken curry. Let us see how to prepare the tasty chicken curry in simple way. Before that, please subscribe our channel. Let's begin the process. Firstly, heat up the pan first and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and fry it. And then add half tablespoon of black pepper and fry it until have nice aroma. Turn off the flame and cool it down and have it in mixie jar. Make it as a fine powder. And then add 4 garlic cloves and grind it. Heat up the pan and add 700 grams of cleaned chicken, salt as per taste and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and mix well. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil, curry leaves, mix well and cook for 5 minutes. And then add water, mix well, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Have a mixie jar, add 2 medium-sized chopped onions, coriander leaves, 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, garlic cloves, chopped ginger and salt as per taste and make a paste. After 10 minutes, chicken is almost done and keep it aside. Heat up the pan first and then add 2 tablespoons of oil. After it's heated up, add the pinch of jeera, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and fry it. And then add grinded tomato onion paste and saute well. And then add chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix and saute well and then add chicken pieces, mix well, cover and cook for 5 minutes. And lastly add roasted coriander pepper powder to enhance the taste of your curry. Today's tasty and simple chicken curry is ready to serve. Try it out in your kitchen and share with me how it goes for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.